welcome to my channel. My name is Sandhya Sawant. For today's video I'm going to share this eyeshadow tutorial using Carnival XL Pro palette. I hope even you are loving it. So this is a very beautiful and colorful eye makeup. Let's see how to create this. And watch this video till the end to know how to create this eye makeup look. So I have created this look with lots of colors. Definitely comment and let me know how you like this colorful eye makeup look, and also you can follow me on my Instagram account for more updates. Let's get to the tutorial now. First I'm going to use this neon pink color from the palette. For the brush I'm using Morphe M573. So this is a blending brush, and the color I'm using, I'll be blending on the crease of my outer V area. Next up I'll be using neon light green color and applying it next to the pink color. And next I'll use yellow shade and apply next to green. And add the peach color on my inner V area. It's time to cut the crease using concealer from Makeup Studio EP001. And here I'm using a flat brush from Morphe M224. As you can see here, I'm going ahead and giving that wing using the same concealer. And I'm wiping off the excess concealer and giving it a shape of wing using a clean cotton bud. So here now I'm reversing the color. So first I'll be applying neon pink shade, which I used in the beginning, and now neon green and yellow and peach shade. Okay, so next I'll go ahead and apply mascara, and this mascara is from Too Faced. It's called Better Than Sex Mascara. Here I'm coating nicely on my lashes until any kind of eyeshadow powder vanishes from the lashes. For my waterline, here I'm applying Lakme Iconic in white. And applying a coat of mascara on my lower lashes as well. And we are done, guys. Here is the completed look. Hope you like this colorful eye makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked my video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon because you do not want to miss out on my videos. You can follow me on my Instagram account. You will find my socials link in the description box below. And I do upload videos every Wednesdays and Fridays. And guys, this Sunday I'll upload Pride makeup. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In that way you will be notified. So stay tuned for more beauty related videos, and do check out my other tutorials which can be helpful for you. And thank you for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.